Before finding clients, ang una mo dapat ginagawa is defining your service, ano yung service na i-offer mo, at para kanino yung service na i-offer mo. Kasi after defining those two things, madali mo nang re-research kung nasan nga ba yung mga clients mo. For example, what I do is I do operations management. I specialize in digital marketing, and basically, meron akong mga 6 or 7 na industries na gusto kong iserve. Let's say for the purpose of this video, you have the same niche, you offer the same service, and your target market is e-commerce. So once na alam mo na kung sino yung target market mo, alam mo na kung ano yung service na i-offer mo, ang next step mo na, as I mentioned earlier, is i-research mo saan tumatabay itong mga client na to. So kung naisip mo sa LinkedIn, edi sa LinkedIn, you have to build your portfolio there, you have to continuously connect and reach out. But one thing that I noticed, if LinkedIn yung napili ninyo na platform, is hindi pwede doon yung Uber salesy kasi people are there para for professional purposes. You wanna make it look like you are the answer to their questions. So for example, when you reach out, when you connect with them, when you comment sa mga videos nila, sasagutin mo kasi yung mga katanungan nila. Meanwhile, if you choose naman yung mga platforms like Upwork, Epic Career, Freelance Marketplace, Bark, ano pa ba? Marami eh. Kasi for digital marketing, Bark, for UK clients yun, isa pang platform yun. Mas straightforward naman siya because yung mga clients doon, sinasabi na nila kung anong problem nila. So once na you've defined na kung anong service na yung offer mo, anong industry yung serve mo, pwede ka na pumunta sa mga platforms. And dito sa Facebook page ko, search nyo na lang sa Facebook. Makikita nyo sa featured, click nyo yung start here. Makikita nyo dito pa lang sa baba yung mga platforms na pwede kayo mag-apply. I will continuously add dito sa list na to. May tinatapos lang ako ng big project ngayon that we are launching this week for the community. Anyway, hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!